Hi everyone. So I am Ronak has come out with its admission process today. So we'll be discussing about the same in terms of what is it, what are repercussions, etc. So I've just copied the whole I am Rotaka admission process out here. So what are they talking about? I mean they're talking about there'll be an online personal interview. That means there is no VAT, okay, and no GD. So that means the pure selection will be based on the online PI, okay, and the final selection is based on your CAT score, your online PI score, and the gender and academic diversity. Okay, so though they have not mentioned in the form at least what's the breakup of this 20% gender and academic diversity, but on top they mentioned that male gender and engineering and related subjects at graduation. That means they will be at a disadvantage, the others will have a disadvantage. And the fact that this gender and academic diversity has a 20% weightage can create a lot of difference as such, right? And yes, so we just go about, so the whole weightage is 60% for CAT scores, 20% for online PI score, and 20% for gender and academic diversity. That's the breakup. They've also given a minimum percentage percentile on which they will call. Okay, CAT score 2020, which is at 95 for general, EWS 90, OBC 78, SC, ST, and DAP. So this is the breakup in terms of what. So people about this percentile can apply to IIM Rohtak. They mentioned the last date as 21st January 2021 with a fee of 2000. Let's understand the whole process a little bit more in terms of what they mentioned as such. Okay. So after this, they will shortlist candidates. Okay, will receive an email with a web link, and online pre-I process will be there, and will be based on CAT score. So that means based on only this and nothing else is mentioned. That means there's purely on CAT scores will the calls be given. They have not mentioned that there is any academic required that you need a minimum so much percentile in each section, or you need so much in your 10th standard, so much in your 12th standard. Nothing is mentioned, just your CAT scores. So that's how the whole process will be shortlisted, and then you'll be conducted online personal interview. That's how it will go. Going further with the process, so they can download, etc. Here they're given the weightage. The weightage is 20% for academic diversity and gender diversity. Okay, and 20% will be online PI score. Though they have not mentioned any marks for your academics, that 90%, 80%. I think somewhere maybe they will give the weightage. There will be some weightage for your academic background, either in your interview process or your academic and gender diversity. There will be some marks that will be provided. But yes, we can say that the higher weightage is for the CAT examination, CAT score, but the online PI 20% will make a huge difference. Okay, let's try to just understand the whole process. I mean, again, they have mentioned it in this that they will scale down the score. Okay, the weightage 60% will be assigned to CAT total score or weight, and they are going to scale down the scores to 100 marks. That's what they've said, and then they will scale it down further to 60% of the weightage. Uh, uh, so just a minute. Let me just. I just read it somewhere that they will make it 100 mark. Okay, yeah, scale to 100. Your CAT totals will be scaled to 100. So what does it mean? I mean, what I perceive. If I look at a 99 percentile, the score is 101. If I look at 95 percentile, the score is around 76. The difference is around 25 marks. So 25 marks out of 228, because the total marks is 228. Out of, if you look at 76 questions into 3 is 228 marks. So 25 marks difference of 228, that means out of 100, the difference of marks will be 11. If the difference in marks is 11 out of 100 and they're going to scale it down to 60 percentage, the difference between 95 percentile and 99 percentile will be something around 6.6 marks based on the CAT scores purely. Okay, that is what I see. So 60% weightage will come to a difference of 6.6 marks for a 99 percentile and 95 percentile approximately. And then this, if you're a 95 percentile, you have to cover this in your online PI as well as your other diversity and other factors, just to give you a calculation. And since the online PI has 20 marks, you'll have to really perform well, to cover up that marks, which is possible, right? So your PI becomes extremely important. Try to focus on that and try to prepare on that. So again, the point is they have not mentioned any percentage criteria for shortlisting. They have only mentioned the personal criteria, and then your PI and your diversity factor, your gender diversity and your education diversity will come at a later period. Based on that, they will give you a combined score, and based on that, they will come out with the list as such. And then you have to take the admission. So they have mentioned the whole admission process which is there. You can go to the website and get the whole link of the admission process which is there, right? So I hope this is clear. Go to their form. If you're eligible for it, there's no harm in applying for it, and trying to see if you get. IIM Roorkee is a good college to get into, but yes, look at your criteria. What are you looking for, and accordingly you can select the college. Right. Thank you.